Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started.
I will never short Bitcoin again. I repeat, I will never short Bitcoin again. I will never short Bitcoin again. I repeat, I will never short Bitcoin again. Just kidding, suckers. Bitcoin's going back down. I'm about to short again. Let's go. Bitcoin's about to drop all the way back down to the bottom. All you moon boys were getting so bullish yesterday. You guys were getting so bullish. Bitcoin went to like 44K and you guys thought it was going to 100. You stupid moon boys. You guys are always moon boys. Every time it pumps, you guys get so moon boyish. You guys get so moon boy. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. See ya. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Bitcoin's falling back down after yesterday. We were getting a little bit hyped, right? Yesterday, we were getting a little bit hyped. Yep, I see someone in the chat saying whale manipulation. It's always whale manipulation. Every time it goes to the downside, it's whale manipulation. Every time it goes to the upside, it's natural price action. Don't we know at this point? But hope you guys had a fantastic Thursday. Okay, fantastic Thursday. Let's have a fantastic night. Might be a little bit shorter of a stream. Okay, might be a little bit shorter of the stream tonight. Maybe like an hour or so. Maybe a little bit longer than an hour. But I gotta take care of some stuff as I'll be away this weekend. But I gotta take care of some stuff tonight. But guys, Bitcoin went all the way back up to about 44.5 and has now come back down to our dreaded $42,600 range. I mean, I'm sick of being in this range. You're sick of being in this range. We're all sick of being in this range. It's like what George would say, guys. I mean, it's like what George would say. We're all sick of 42K. Well, I'm all sick of 42K. You're all sick of 42K, right? It's like what George would say. But yeah, we're back down at 42K. Here we are. Now, are we looking at any type of bounce to the upside? Now, Earlier today, we did sort of break down from this little wedge that I was looking at on the 1 hour time frame. You guys can see we had a bunch of rejections coming up, right? Rejection, 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 rejection. A bunch of rejections coming up. Here we go. Jordan's having a date with Karen. Yes, date with Karen. Exactly. Exactly as we predicted. Oh, always, guys. But yeah, 4 touches to the upside here. And also we had about 4 touches to the downside. We did break this to the downside. We came back up, back tested it as resistance, and now have started to fall back down to the downside. Will we hit the measure move of this? Okay, the measure move of this rising wedge is all the way back down at the first touch, back down at that $39,700 level. And we know that matches up with our fractal from the summertime, which we'll take a look at very, very shortly. Before we continue, guys, make sure you guys smack up that like button. If you guys are new to the stream, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. We're here every single day at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Not Central, not Pacific, Eastern Central Time. What do you guys say? Jordan's doing night shifts at McDonald's. You guys already know. I have to go back to doing night shifts at McDonald's every single day now, which is fine, right? I'm cool with it. I am cool with it. Someone said Bitcoin did another Bart pattern. Yep, we did our typical Bart Simpson pattern. If we put our smiley face here, typical Bart Simpson pattern where we might be coming back down, but nevertheless, that's what I'm looking at in the hourly time frame. Will we hold this 42.6 level of support? We did back here. Are we sold? We gotta see. We gotta see. If we do break this level, we'll probably come back down to $41,200 level. If this level breaks at 42,500. Okay. Going to the 4 hour time frame. What's up, Crypto Lifer? Nice beard. Are we twins? You look like me. Crypto Lifer, I would say that I'm a little bit better looking than you.
Bruh.
Hey, Crypto Lifer, I'm a little bit better looking than you, man. No, but actually, I watched your show the other day, man. It was pretty good. It was pretty good. You know, so if you guys want to check out Crypto Lifer, go check him out, guys. He usually just streams after me, so go check him out if you want to. Anyways, 4 hour time frame, kind of the same thing, right? We had this falling wedge we're looking at on the 4 hour time frame. But nevertheless, we sort of had this falling wedge. We did break to the upside, okay? We did break a little bit to the upside. Someone said, oh, Jordan's on fire today. We broke to the upside. We now came back down to test the top of the wedge, right? So are we going to hold that as support, right? It happens to be right at our 1 hour support. Are we going to hold this on the 4 hour, right? Are we going to continue to hold this on the 4 hour, get that back test that we're looking for, and a continuation up, right? So couple key levels that we're currently at, okay? A couple key levels that we are currently at. Jackie said it's following the Giordano Inu fractal pattern. Yes, it is following the Giordano Inu fractal, which we will look at very, very shortly. Very, very shortly. What's up, Shane? Soul meme coin, but Woof is up like 120%. Peep it. Woof? Shane, come on. We can't look at Woof, man. We can't look at Woof.
Nope.
Come on, man. Come on, it's crazy. But anyways, let's go back to, I mean, man, if we break the support, you know, we could be coming back down to this green box of support on the daily, which I don't want to, right? I don't want to come back down to this green box of support. I don't, but it's all a part of the plan, right? It's all a part of our grand master plan. And we know our grand master plan. What is our grand master plan? Well, it's this. It's this pattern we've been talking about lately, right? It's not, I mean, it's a pattern, but it's more so to do with our fractal that we'll take a look at in a second. It's this W reversal pattern that Bitcoin tends to do at the bottom of every single dump. Now, is this going to play out? It's a little bit too early to tell, okay? It's a little bit too early to tell, but if it was to play out like the summertime, like we said yesterday, you know, we have our W reversal back up to the upside. I should have drawn it like this. That wasn't really a W, Jordan. That was more of a N. Why am I drawing N's when I say I'm drawing W's? What the heck is wrong with me, man? But you have the same thing up here, too. Right? W reversal. Donk, 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 W. Right? Now we're looking for that same type of W reversal, right? Donk, 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 donk. Now, I was convinced. I don't know if I'm so convinced anymore. I was convinced that Bitcoin would reach all the way back up to the $46,000 range before it came back down. Right now, it's looking a little iffy if it can reach the $46,000 range. Like I said yesterday, guys, that you guys were calling me bearish, right? Jordan's bearish.
Bitcoin is bearish.
Jordan's so bearish. Look at how bearish he is. He's such a bear. Oh my, he's been bearish for like a week. He is such a bear. What is this, Savvy's channel? What am I watching, Savvy now? That's what you guys saying yesterday. I was telling you guys, I don't know if we had the juice. I don't know if we have the juice to continue on from there. He was looking a little dicey, but, you know, are we going to come back? I still think we're going to come back down to test, once again, that 39.6 level coming up here shortly. I do think that's coming here, and we'll see something like this play out. It's just my prediction. You guys know I don't like to really usually give predictions, but, you know, in times like this and boring times, hey, it's a little bit fun to do a little bit of prediction. Let's see if it continues to play out here. But so far, so good. Maybe we don't get up as high as we thought, but, you know, even if we come back down here, our hope is to get some type of double bottom at the $39,700 level. Crypto and tech guys said everyone is talking about the same fractal, so it won't play out. Everyone is talking about the same fractal. Everyone is. Even the bears are talking about it. Even market makers is talking about the Giordano Inu fractal. We've been looking at the Giordano Inu fractal way before all these guys, okay? We've been looking at the Giordano Inu fractal since all the way back here, okay? We've been talking about this since the middle of December, okay? It's been no joke at all. But I do see that everyone is talking about it now. Now, someone said it's not going to play out if everyone's talking about it. What I'll argue about that thinking is I think back here, it was kind of the same thing, right? Everyone was talking about this back here, okay? If you guys can remember, if you guys were in the market back here in the summertime, everyone was talking about the wick-off accumulation back here. And what did Bitcoin do? It played it out. So, you know, I think you can make an argument that everyone's looking at it, it won't play out, but everyone was looking at it back here, right? If you remember correctly. I mean, I was here, a lot of you guys were here. I remember everyone was talking about the wick off, right? Wick off, whack off. We used to say the wick off, the wick off. We sort of called it another word, which I can't say because I think it got me shadow banned last time. You guys know I don't even know if I can do this. The pattern, right? The pattern. But to keep it kid friendly, as kid friendly as our stream is, everyone was talking about it back here. And, you know, so I wouldn't say it's terribly impossible that it can still play out, even with everyone was talking about it. Okay, so it's following up pretty nicely. Now, maybe we don't get as high on this initial move up that we were thinking out. Just because we're having a red day doesn't mean we can't continue up a little bit here. I mean, I don't want to sound like, you know, we're going straight back down to 39.7, you know, 100% here. Like, we still could go a little bit higher just because we're having a red candle does not mean that we can't still go up to 46,000, right? I mean, that's still a possibility. But if this was to play out, you know, we're expecting one more move back down, okay? We're going to scare the heebie-bejeebies out of everyone, all right? Everyone's going to be running around, you know.
Bitcoin's going to 10K.
You're going to have George sounding like this. I am George. We're all George. Today, guys, since the markets are down, we are going to simply talk about stablecoin returns, okay? So if you guys want to get the best return while the market's going down, today we're going to talk about how you guys can get 15% APY with your stablecoins, okay? This is the best thing you can do as Bitcoin's going down. At least you're earning something, okay? In later's video, we're going to simply talk about the best play to earn games where you can earn where Bitcoin's going down as well, okay? You know, Bitcoin's looking a little bearish, but that's okay. That's okay. Let's do some Q&A now. Let's do some Q&A. Okay, perfect. when George starts making, you know, APY videos and stablecoin videos and play to earn videos, that's when you know that we're probably going to bounce back up, okay? And when you start hearing, you know, what we want to start hearing again is, you know, guys, the best channel in the interwebs. Today, guys, we are going to talk about how I am very, very close to selling my whole portfolio. If Bitcoin drops another $2,000 to $3,000, I am thinking that, you know, I'm thinking that I am going to liquidate all of my portfolio, guys. Okay, so I just wanted to let you guys know that I try to be as transparent as I can with you guys on this channel, right? We try to be the most transparent channel on the interwebs. Okay, me and TJ, and you know, that's what I plan on doing, right? Bitcoin's not looking too great. I'm very, very close to liquidating my whole portfolio. These are the things we want to start hearing, okay? We want to start hearing these things again. And I think if Bitcoin does roll over one more time, you're going to start hearing all these things, okay? You kind of already heard them when Bitcoin was down here. Everyone started getting extremely bearish, okay? I think if Bitcoin does roll back over again, you're going to start hearing the same things, right? Everyone's going to start losing hope. You know, it's over. That was our chance. You know, we start to roll back over, okay? We start to roll back over and GG, you know, everyone flips bearish and then Bitcoin bounces like the summertime. That's at least my thesis. That's my thesis. I don't know if that's going to necessarily happen. That is my thesis, though. Okay, so let's leave it at that. And Jordan Cowan going to get scared for TJ for Halloween. All right, but yeah, I mean, enough about our wick off accumulation pattern. Enough about the wick off. What else can we look at here? You know, we still got this possible like big ascending triangle pattern. I'm not too sold on this, okay? Someone said this to me, if you take it off log scale, you make this big ascending triangle pattern. I'm not too sold on this. It's a little bit, you know, subjective. You're kind of taking a lot of variables you usually don't use. Like I usually like to use the log chart. Taking it off log chart to me, and this is sort of just me kind of slightly making fun of other people, but you know, to fit your narrative, to look at the log chart when you always look at the log chart, to me is kind of a dumb narrative, though. You know, I guess we can continue to look at it, though. I don't think this is too valid. You know, we already broke the log scale one, so. But yeah, I mean, you're kind of trying to just fit a narrative, so. You know, I guess that's what everyone does on YouTube, right? If you're bullish, you're trying to fit a bullish narrative. If you're bearish, you're trying to fit a bearish narrative. That's kind of what YouTube's been. But by the way, do you guys like my head a little bit smaller, by the way? You guys like my head a little bit smaller, or do you guys like my head a little bit bigger? I'm not... And I'm not saying it in the way you think I'm saying it, okay? I'm not saying it in that way. Streep Shame said, keep the bear market for another week. The bear market for another week. Well, if we're calling this a bear market, I think we're gonna have a bear market for another 3 weeks. Okay, in my personal opinion, another 3 weeks. Are we calling this a bear market? Is that what we're doing here? I mean, I guess. I mean, here's my thinking, guys. Everyone wants to say bear market, bull market, bear market, bull market, bear market, bull market. To me, I mean, this is what I sort of expect from Bitcoin from here on out. Small. Like small so we can't see you. I like it big. Wow. We like your big head pumping full. You didn't offer a thesis, you offer an opinion. Clint's always making fun of me, man. Clint is always making fun of me. Yes. I mean, everyone sort of says this, right? I mean, everyone's like, oh, it's a big bull market. It's a big bear market. And I've kind of said over the last couple months, really, that Bitcoin is, I'm not expecting Bitcoin to have these massive cycles anymore. I think we're going to have some smaller cycles like this, right? Where this is a bull market, this is a bear market, this is a bull market, this is a bear market. Then at some point we'll get a bull market, and then we'll get a bear market. Then we'll get a bull market. This is sort of what I'm expecting now. I'm not sort of, everyone's expecting these massive swings. And to me, it's just like, I think the market cap's too high. Everyone's sort of expecting, the bears are expecting this, okay? The bulls are expecting this, okay? And I think we get something a little bit in between, okay? I think we get something more like this, you know? Doop, 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 doop. It's going to be painful. That's sort of what I see for the foreseeable future. You know, it's either people are on one side of the equation or the other side of the equation. I'm kind of right in the middle, right? You got one side expecting this, like we said. You got another side expecting this. What if it just does that? What if it just does exactly in the middle? What if it does exactly in the middle? What if it does this? Right? I mean, I don't really see anyone talking about that. Though that could certainly be, you know, certainly be something. Paper hands, mate. Beat says it's a paper hands. Nice. Looks like a VGG. The week off. This is a kid-friendly stream. It's not a kid-friendly stream. Clearly. You like MDX, not a... Alright. Anyways, besides that, I mean, you guys are sick of me rant about that at this point. The Bitcoin dominance is still chilling. Like, I'm not going to spend too much time in the dominance if it's going to be chilling at the same spot. Still chilling at 39.55%. Are we surprised at this point? No. All right, we are used to, and we are just used to this 39.55% on the dominance. I mean, we've touched this multiple times, and we continue to have weeks of just sitting right on top of the support. Literally right on top of this support. What else we got? Total market cap. Now we're stuck between a big rock and a hard place. We're stuck between, you know, one... We're stuck between a red hard place and a blue hard place. I'll put it that way. Which is the 200 moving average and the 300 moving average. Okay, we're stuck now, right? We dropped below both. Okay, we came back up, got resistance on the 200, came back down. Right now we're holding the 300. So we're sort of stuck between those two moving averages. Are we going to be able to get back above? Like I said yesterday that this 200 moving average probably gave us a little bit of resistance. It did. Pushed us back down. We got to get back above that for total, man. Last time we were able to get back above that for total, that kind of not kickstarted the run, but allowed us to continue much, much higher. So I'm going to continue to watch that 200 day moving average on the total market cap and kind of go from there, you know, until we get back above that. And that's to me even more important than some of Bitcoin's moving averages or important levels of resistance. As always, we used to look at the total market cap a lot, and that was sort of an indicator on big moves up. And I'm looking at that too. As soon as we get back over that, I'm expecting Bitcoin and altcoins to perform pretty well. But until we do, it's going to be a little bit of a headache. A little bit of a headache. Yeah, keep smacking up that like button. Thanks for the shout out, Waterfly. Smack up that like button, guys. Smack it, smack it, smack it. Do it. Okay? There's no volume. There's zero volume on the likes. I understand that the morale in crypto's bad, but there's no volume for the likes. There's no volume. You heard Mike. You heard Mike. You better not get Mike pissed, because Mike might show up at the side of your door. By the way, guys, yo, watch this real quick. Watch this. You guys want to laugh real quick? This is the dumbest thing I've ever seen, but I wanted to show you guys because it was absolutely hilarious. Ready? Ready for this? Ready for this? Here we go.
Happy and clapping, Vitalik is impressed. Vitalik clapping, 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 clapping. Vitalik clapping, 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 clapping.
Look at him. Yo, that song is great, man. That song is absolutely great. Oh, man. The like button is low. The like button is extremely low. Clint said never again. You guys said WTF. You guys know I love the weird Vitalik stuff. The weird Vitalik stuff is absolutely hilarious. I'm blind. Someone said I'm blind in both ears. Oh, man. That was great. All right, anyways. All right, anyways. The stock market, another red day. Well, not another red day, but a red day nonetheless. I mean, I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. I mean, and once again, I mean, everyone kind of keep calling for a stock market crash. I will say that, I mean, it's another day. How long have we been hearing that for? I mean, I know people say it's gonna happen. I mean, it's still in an uptrend. I mean, I feel like I say this every day. I mean, how we've been hearing this for months, and it's been in an uptrend ever since. I mean, listen, I'm not, every day that it's red, the stock market's crashing. Every day it's green, it's recovering. but yet it just continues to make all-time highs. I mean, it is what it is. It's red today. Will it be green tomorrow? We'll see. Would I be surprised if it is? No. Right? Everyone say the jobs report. The jobs report. The jobs report. Okay. Okay. It might affect the market for 2 days. We'll see. We'll see if it has any effect after that. The jobs report. The jobs. But all the jobs. Come on, man. See you all at 20K. Jordan, it's the death cross. Yeah, I mean, don't get me started about the death cross. You guys don't want to hear me start about the death cross. But anyways. DXY. One thing that is good today, I mean, like I said, yesterday was good. Today's not the greatest day. One thing that's good today is the DXY is coming down hot. It's coming down very, very hot. If we actually look at this, look at the DXY, right? Look at the DXY. By the way, guys, is the stream? I'm curious to say, is the stream a little bit better quality today? I'm curious if it is. If it's not, you guys can tell me. But if it is, let me know. I tried to make some changes on some other stuff. What I mean by quality, maybe not my analysis, as my analysis tends to be pretty shoddy and pretty inconsistent, as you guys know. But what I mean by is actual video quality. I missed the Pac-Man sound. Listen, I got more coming, man. I got more coming. You guys know I like adding new stuff. DXY, we did break this sort of uptrend that we had, right? Where we had 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, and now we're coming back up, right? Now we just broke that upward support line, okay? We finally broke that upward support line. So is that going to continue down? That's going to be the question here, okay? That's going to be the question. If this does continue down, based off historical precedents, right? The DXY coming down is, okay? Worst stream ever. Your face is too big. You know what, man? You know what? If this is to continue down, okay? That historically is good for crypto, right? The lower this goes, usually crypto and the DXY are inversely correlated, right? Not always, but if you zoom out, the macro usually is inversely correlated. This is coming back down for the first time in a long time, okay? I don't know if it's going to continue. As always, you don't know with this stuff. But if it does continue down, that should be a good thing for crypto based off historical precedents. Obviously, over here, I mean, in July, Bitcoin started to move up. Bitcoin was bullish in this time. So, take it for what you will, right? This was moving up, Bitcoin's moving up, but we'll see if that trend continues here. If this continues to drop, should be good for Bitcoin in that circumstance, okay? What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin's at 42,530. So yeah, man, that's what we're looking at now. Death cross rant, please. Okay.
Rant alert.
Guys, the death cross, I don't care what any other. Here's the thing about the death cross, guys. Listen, the death cross, I made a video about last time the last death cross happened. I made a big video over that, and I showed you guys each time it's happened, okay? Here's the thing with the death cross. Every time the death cross happens, you have a pump going into the death cross, okay? Check. We had a pump going into the death cross, okay? We went from 39 to 45. Not the biggest pump, but we still went up, okay? After the death cross, okay, we can go look at all the times. I really don't want to because it's so played out at this point. After every death cross, it's a lagging indicator. So what it basically shows is you're already in a downtrend. Usually after the death cross happens, you usually do have a little bit more downside, right? Usually have a little bit more downside after the death cross happens. Doesn't mean you make a lower low. Just means that you might go a little bit lower. But typically, at least on some of them, you do end up moving up, back up pretty soon after, right? And a lot of them can be, kind of pointless. I think the last death cross was like right here. You did go a little bit lower, okay? You did go a little bit lower, but then obviously you move back up. So it's not like something where the death cross happens and you got Bob sitting here going, "No, the death cross! I gotta hide." Guys, everyone get under your bed. Everyone get in the closet. It's the death cross. No! We knew this was coming. We knew this was coming 2 weeks ago, but let's all start panicking now. Oh no, we couldn't see it coming. It's not like we can look at the charts and say, oh, the death cross is coming in 2 weeks. It's here. No, let's all start panicking now. We knew it was coming. We knew it was coming. We saw it on the charts for weeks. Why are we panicking? It's already here. Relax. Do some komosa. Do some komosa. We'll be okay. Okay? The death cross isn't going to kill us. Holy moly. It's not going to kill us. Okay? We're gonna survive here. We're going to survive. We'll all be okay. Okay? We've seen millions of death crosses in the past for Bitcoin. What has Bitcoin done? It continued up over time. Okay? We'll be okay. Bitcoin's had, like, I don't even know, 10 death crosses plus. I'm not going to go back and count. Bitcoin goes up higher after a death cross. It's not like a death cross happens and the whales are all of a sudden like, death cross, dump it. Death cross happened. Dump it. Dump it. Dump it. No. That's not what they do. Okay, you can already see it coming. It's not like this like button that gets pressed. Death cross, boom. Doom. No.
Rant alert.
Enough with the death cross. I'm not going to talk about the death cross anymore. Because the death cross, everyone's made a video about the damn death cross. I'm not going to do it, okay? I'm not going to do it. I'm getting Java rich now. There you go, man. It's a super rant. We're going off about the death cross. That's what we do. All right, we got 1 minute until the I don't know why I don't know why that keeps not updating, guys. Sorry, it's 1 minute to the daily close. I'm just gonna end it. 1 minute to the daily close. Let's see what's coming on for the daily close. Let's get a good daily close, boys. Let's get a good daily close. I'm feeling a good daily close today. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Let me know in the chat. It's only 1 minute. I mean, it's not gonna be a good daily close. That was kind of a dumb question, but I think it's gonna be, you know, it's let's see if we actually are gonna engulf the green candle we had yesterday. Yep. Well, it's gonna be a bearish engulfing. Yep, there it is. Bearish engulfing on the daily. Take it for what you will. Okay, it is a bearish engulfing on the daily. We cannot simply deny the fact that we do have a bearish engulfing on the daily. Okay, it's there. It's definitely there. You guys can see it clearly right here. Okay, right here. Right. Boom, boom. Closed lower than the previous open. So that's there. All right. Now let's see what Bitcoin does next. I mean, no, Bitcoin is extremely, how should I say this? It has a mind of its own, right? So I mean, typically you would want this would come back lower, but is Bitcoin going to do what everyone doesn't expect and pop back up? I don't know. Everyone's bearish again today. Everyone's bearish again today, man. I was telling you guys yesterday. That's why I was sort of making fun of everyone yesterday, because everyone was like jumping up and down in joy yesterday. Okay, everyone was jumping down in joy yesterday, and literally, what's funny is I was telling you guys, like, guys, relax. We're not getting out of bed for a 44K Bitcoin, and everyone was getting out of bed, right? Everyone was setting their alarms. Okay. Even though, you know, I can't do the hair today, guys. My hair is done. You know, even though, you know, me, Ben Cowan, tell everyone not to get out of bed for a 44K Bitcoin. Everyone was getting out of bed. Everyone was signing up for their Forbes interviews. Everyone was being very, very dubious with the bottom is in. The bottom is in. Right? Everyone on Twitter. The bottom is in. Okay? Now, I've told you guys, I do think the bottom is in. I don't think Bitcoin goes lower than 39.6. Okay, I will state it again. I don't think Bitcoin goes lower than 39.6. But I think we're going back down there. So let's not, as Ben would say, let's not schedule our Forbes interviews just yet. It is what it is. I didn't get out of bed for a 44K Bitcoin. Yep. Any hopium for us, Nick? Yeah, man. I mean, listen, the only hopium you should need is this. It's the only hopium we should need. We did this exact same thing in the summertime, right? We did this exact same thing in the summertime. So let's not let's not sit here and you know, let's not sit here and all be, you know, as we like to say.
Let's go make some paper mache.
Right? Let's not do that. Okay? Let's all simply, okay, you know, not be that guy. Let's not be. This is the only hopium we should need. Okay? And if Bitcoin does come back down here, like I said yesterday, I don't want to see everyone like I don't want to see everyone screaming, right? Like little pansies. I don't want to see little pansies in the chat the next few days. If you guys are all, you know, if we go back down to lower 40Ks, I don't want to see you guys be pansies in the chat. Whoa! I thought Bitcoin was going higher. Oh no! This is to be expected. So if we come back down, let's not be pansies. Okay? Let's not be pansies. Okay? Let's not be pansies. Perma Bear is gonna get wrecked. No volume. Thanks for jumping back, Jordan. I got you, Gabriel. I got you, man. All right, let's see what you guys are saying in here while we watch Bitcoin. Bitcoin is coming up on that 42.5 support, man. We're sitting right on top of that 42.5 support. Let's see. All right, let's see. What are you guys saying in here? Sol meme coin? Why is Sol a meme coin, man? Sol's not a meme coin. Shane, listen. You gotta do a little bit better due diligence, man, when it comes to your coins, bro. This was another funny meme. This was another funny meme, man, that I saw today. Ready? Here we go.
We're dead.
All you guys do is just be like, oh, this coin looks good. I'm gonna throw 10 grand in there. Like, come on, man. I wouldn't buy Wolf. I'm not gonna buy Wolf. But if Wolf goes up, then, you know, go for it, man. Go for it. Let's do a live chat with my audience and yours on Twitter, bro. A live chat with audience and yours on Twitter. Santos, I can definitely do that, man. We can do that, dude. I'll let you know. Actually, this weekend might be a good idea for that, because I'm gonna be I'm traveling a little bit this weekend. I will be streaming. I'm gonna be streaming from a different location. Okay, I'm gonna be streaming from a different location. I think I've only done that once before, so it should be interesting. This weekend. So maybe this weekend, man. Maybe this weekend we could do that, right? Blue Collar said, hey, Jordan, can you take a look at BLZ? BLZ? Yeah, you can do BLZ. Bitcoin is maybe breaking that support right now, guys. Let's actually go double screen here. It's probably a good time for some double screen action. What do you guys think? Double screen? I'm all about that double screen, man. Let's go Bitcoin here like this. There we go. We can get a little Bitcoin action on the left. There we go. All right. And we get Harmony on the right. Let's do BLZ on the right. What is that? Blaze or something? BLZ? Blaze. BLZ. Blue Zell. Clint said you're going to Dubai and playing with Costa. Could be. Could be. All right. Let's see what Blue Zell's doing. Blue Zell. Oh, jeez. All right, Blue Zell. Can you guys see it when it's this small, man? It's a little bit small in my opinion. A little bit small in my opinion, but you guys can do. You guys have better eyes than me. My eyes are already like I'm literally already like 60. I'm literally 60. You guys can probably see this better than I can. All my old guys in the chat. All my 60-plus-year-olds in the chat. Can you guys see this okay? Let me know. Let me know. Everyone else, I don't really care. All right, so Blue Zell. Man. So this thing, you want to get back over this previous support line, right? You got 1 touch, 2 touches, 3 touches, right? You broke this to the downside. So you want to ultimately get back above. You want to ultimately get back above this previous support, right? 1, 2, 3, broke down below it. Now, you didn't quite come back up and back test, which I'm surprised, but you typically, it's not a good sign typically when you break from this. You don't have too much price action from this, but now what you need to do is you need to get back above this previous support and not flip it as resistance. Okay? Not flip it as resistance. If you can even get back up. Let's actually see on the 4-hour, little zoomed in here, what we're looking at. Yeah, you got room to run down the 4-hour RSI. Daily, got some room to run down. See the hourly. Hourly's getting a little bit down there, so what I'll say is, let's actually see where you retrace on the hourly time frame. Can't see crab? What? 1 hour candles is as boring as you? All right, Lewis. You're boring, Lewis, okay? You're boring. No, but this is probably coming back down to the 0.618. I would say you're probably going to get a bounce out the 0.618. 1 hour RSI would be oversold at that point, and the 0.618 is usually where you reverse from, right? So 18.1. Then maybe you might get some bounce back up, but in the grand scheme of things, you got to get back over this previous support and not flip it as resistance. I don't know if I like this, man. I don't know if I like this double screen, man. I'm going back to normal screen. I can't even see. Like, I can't even see, and you guys probably can't even see either. And you probably don't even know. Drew said, your thoughts on EOS? I was thinking of trading my LTC for it. Come on, Drew. Come on, man. Stop trolling me, dude. Oh, man. Listen. Litecoin, I would rather own Litecoin than EOS. I will say that. I will say that. I would rather own EOS than Litecoin. Okay? 100%. 100%. Double screen too clouded, too close. Facts, man. Facts, it was too close. You guys said I can't see crap. Go Big Daddy. All right, we're trying to bounce. Bitcoin's trying to bounce right now. You guys want to go 15 minute, don't you? You guys want to go 15 minute. Get a little deep and dirty in here. All right. We're getting a little bit degenerate in the chat. But I'd rather own Litecoin than EOS. And I'd rather own... Ah, man. Let me ask you guys in the chat. Actually, let's do a poll. Would you rather own XRP? Would you rather own XRP or Litecoin? I want to know in the chat. I'm putting a poll up. And if this will be interesting. I'm actually genuinely curious on what people will say about this. XRP or Litecoin? I feel like this will be closer than you guys think. I feel like this will be much, much closer than you guys think. Let's see. Robert said, Jordan don't got a clue. I got no clue, man. No clue. I'm very curious what you guys will say in the chat. XRP? Paul said neither. Listen, I would say neither too, but you know, I'm not everyone. You know, I'm only one person here. Merlinge, what a name, Merlinge. It's over, we're dead. We need 10 hours of pump song to stay above the neckline. Okay, let's do it. Oh! Why am I here? Why did I just pop up? Jordan, why am I on the screen? Get me off! Get me off! I'm trying to watch around the blockchain! I'm trying to walk around the blockchain! Get me off! Bob doesn't want to be on right now. He's watching around the blockchain again for the 6th time. For the 6th time he's watching around the blockchain. 6th time. Oh, Wendy-O! I love Wendy-O! I love Wendy-O! Holy crap! I'm her biggest fan! Maybe I'll meet her one day. Maybe she'll come to Vegas with us. Guys, you think Wendy O will come to Vegas if I ask her? You think she'll come? You think she'll come? He loves Wendy O. Bob broke into the room. All right, let's see. What in the shib? What in the shib is going on, Jay? Am I a bear because I want Shib, Gala, and Polly to go lower so I can buy at the 39K? Forbes interview on the way. I'm hoping we're gonna get a Forbes interview. Listen, you're kind of a bear. You're kind of a bear because if for any reason you want the prices to go lower, I consider you a bear, right? And listen, you might consider me a bear at this point. Why? Because I think Bitcoin's going lower. And I wouldn't care if Bitcoin went lower. So you might consider Big J, as you guys would call me, Big J. You might consider me a bear right now. You certainly could, at least in the short term. At least in the short term. No video, completely frozen. I'm not frozen, bro. I'm not frozen. Litecoin's a dark coin. Oh man, you guys are too funny, man. We're having a good Thursday, even though Bitcoin's once again, man. Let me tell you. I will tell you guys this, just real quick. Every stream that we've had lately, literally every one, has been so crabby. Okay, so crabby. Literally. Someone said no one calls you Big J besides your mom. All right, Rooster. Your name's Rooster, bro. Your name's Rooster. No one calls you Rooster besides your grandma. Okay? All right, Rooster. No Marin? No Marin. No Marin. Come on. No Marin. Bob likes Wendy O. Bob likes Wendy O. Massive face. Big J. Are you dumpster diving with Jimmy? No. Jimmy's gonna hit me in the head with his plunger. Here he comes, actually. Here he comes. No, Jimmy, the prices are going up. Jimmy, no. Jimmy, no, get off the screen. Come here, Jordan. Come here. You told me the prices are going up. Now you're gonna get it. No, Jimmy. I can't take it, man. I can't. Oh, man. We need some price action, man. This price action is going to make me go insane, bro. It really is. It really is. Someday we'll get back up there. Someday. Cock-a-doodle-doo. It's like a unicorn hot dog. Oh, man. All right, let's check out some alts. I mean, you can check out some alts. ETH is... Someone said rip. Here comes the rooster. No, but ETH, man. What is ETH doing? ETH is pretty much doing the same thing as Bitcoin. I mean, it's not like, obviously it doesn't have the same Wyckoff or, you know, our week off not wick-off manipulation. I guess it's technically wick-off manipulation. Technically, if we're saying to say technically speaking, okay? Can you do the one where just sit there and don't talk? It's too good. Please. Where I sit there and don't talk? I don't know which one that is. Let's see. Change that shirt before you date tonight. You leprechaun. Listen. My shirt's good. Listen, man. Anything I wear is good. I can rock anything. All you gotta do is think that it looks good. Okay? The Tip Me I'm Irish shirt looks really, really good. Okay? Really, really good. And I'm sure if my date is watching, she will say that this shirt looks good. Okay? That's all I'll say. Okay, my shirt does look good on me. So don't hate on my shirt. No, but ETH. I mean, if we really zoom out on ETH, it's kind of the same thing as Bitcoin. You're really just going sideways for the whole, or at least since May. That's not so much the same as Bitcoin, as ETH really went up in the beginning of 2021. But you're really just going sideways for the past, what, 6 months? 7 months? You know what I mean? The past 6 or 7 months, you're really just going sideways. So, do you date Wendy O? Do you date Wendy O? That's too good. But anyways, yeah, dude. So, you're just really going sideways for the past 6 or 7 months for Ethereum. You know, like that's really all it comes back down to. You know, it's all it comes back down to. You know, what we said about ETH is, you know, we were watching this wedge for a while, and look exactly where we got resistance. Right, our previous support. You know, we were looking at this wedge back in the past for Ethereum, and you know, we had a clear wedge formation. We came back up, back tested the wedge as resistance. So, technically speaking, okay, you know, as the Bank of Canada, is that the Bank of Canada guy says? Technically speaking, that is bearish, right? You came back up, back tested it. Now you're going to see if, you know, you ultimately hold this range now, or you come back lower. You know, I've said that, you know, here's the thing. If Bitcoin drops again, say if Bitcoin goes back down to 39.6, okay, would it shock me if ETH not only went back down to 2,900, but also went back down to 2,700? Wouldn't shock me whatsoever. What it comes down to for ETH for me is I just want to continue to hold at least 2,700, right? At least the previous highs in the previous support. I don't have my tea. I don't got my tea today, guys. I'm going to be BitBoy. I'm going to be BitBoy for the rest of the stream, man. We gotta hold that 2,700. That's the line in the sand. Just like 39.6 for Bitcoin. 2,750 is the line in the sand for ETH. Okay, for my my ex-wife, my beautiful ex-wife. She is absolutely stunning, but you know, she was getting she was getting on my nerves a little bit. Okay, she was getting on my nerves. She was starting to have a little bit of an attitude. So you guys know how that is. You guys know how that is. You adding to your ETH bags if it drops that low? Oh, absolutely. I'm absolutely will be adding to my ETH bags if it does go that low. Absolutely will be adding to ETH bags. I mean, I've already been adding to my ETH bags. I added my ETH bags up here. I'll add to my ETH bags if it goes to 2,700 too. I told you guys, like, as long as Bitcoin is below like 42K, that's DCA time for me, for altcoins too, right? I use Bitcoin as a barometer of where I DCA alts. So if Bitcoin is below 42K, I'll be DCAing into the alts that I like. That's at least that's the way I do it, you know? Jordan, you caused the dive. I caused it. I caused it. What are you guys saying in the chat? Ireland isn't you guys are too funny. What are you guys saying here? What up with Doge? Did Elon tweet? Creeks, I don't know what's going on with Doge. But yeah, Doge is moving up though. Anyone have any idea what's going on with Doge? Anyone? Anyone out there? Anyone? All right, no one has any idea what's going on with Doge. Doge it probably hates Shiba. I bet Doge and Shiba hate each other, man. They are really the annoyance of each other, right? No, but Doge, I mean, I guess technically he came back down and tested a downtrend of support here. I mean, that's pretty much what happened there. It's pretty much what happened there, man. Doge is a cougar. Doge is a cougar. I mean, technically Doge is older than SHIB, right? So, you know, it's the oldest meme coin. No, but you bounce off at support level. I mean, it was likely you were going to get a bounce. You also had bullish div here in the daily, right? You had lower lows and you had higher lows coming in. So you had Bullish div, you were oversold in the daily. It was just likely that your Dogecoin was going to get a bounce back up to the upside, right? It was just likely at that point. Doge hates everyone. Doge hates everyone. Everyone. Let's see. Look bullish. Look bullish, man. I guess it's good to look bullish. Should you not look bearish? Need SHIB. I lost D training. Moonboy 39K. Need SHIB. I lost D training. Wait, what? I'm so confused, Kennedy. Moonboy 39K. I have no idea what that means. I'm a little bit confused right now. I'm sort of looking at that like this. Like I'm looking at what you just said like this, man. TJ, do you have any idea what that guy just said? Do you have any idea what that guy just said in the chat? TJ, are you okay, man? Do you have any idea? Why do you look so confused? I have no idea what you said, man. That's what's going on over there, though. And then Johnny Whirl with the $3 super sticker. Like the sticker, man. I like the sticker you chose, bro. That was a damn good sticker, man. It really was. BTC, come on, man. Why do you do this to me? Why do you do this to me? If you moved, maybe I wouldn't have to open my mouth so much, okay? Maybe I wouldn't have to blabber so much, okay? People don't like when I blabber. Maybe you guys do. I don't know. You guys like when I blabber? When Bitcoin doesn't move, I have to blabber a lot more. Anyways, what else is there? What else is there? I mean, not a lot moved today. There was a couple ones that moved today. Harmony 1 is still moving up now. Harmony 1's at 35.4. Harmony actually had the highest. Yes, it did. Yes, it did, baby. Yes, it did. Let's get a pump song for Harmony 1. For all my one army in here. We've been hyping up Harmony 1 for the last couple weeks. Let's keep hyping it up. It's doing well. Let's get a hype song for the highest daily close of all time for Harmony 1. Let's get it, boys. All right, all-time highest daily close of all time for Harmony. Looks to have a clear shot to 37.8. Looks like you're going to test that high wick, 37.8. As long as Bitcoin doesn't take a massive poo-poo. Obviously, if Bitcoin takes a massive poo-poo, right? Melissa, how many beans did you put in that chili today? How many beans did you put in that chili? Oh, Melissa, how many beans? Oh, oh, oh. Jabba, I didn't put that many. I only put like... Jabba, I only put 6 cans. I only put 6 cans in there. You told me to put 3. So I thought I'd be nice and throw a couple extra in there for you. You know? I was just trying to be nice, Jabba. I was just trying to be nice. 6! You put 6 cans in there. Alright, I'm done. I can't do it. Sometimes I can't do it. Today's one of those days. Man. I can't. We've lost track. Someone move BTC already. Oh man. But Melissa does have a beard. All right, anyways. Moving on. What else are you guys saying in here? She looks like my ex. Oh God, Chris. That looks like your ex, man. Oh God. Oh jeez. All right, let me know the chat. All my guys in the chat, right? OG said, yeah, he's lost his mind. Let me know in the chat. Which one of these three looks the most like your ex, okay? Let me know, ready? This one? But no one better say number one. No one better say number one, okay? No one better, I mean, number two is a little bit better. Number two. Or number three. Which one more looks like it? Melissa has a beard. Nice, man. Melissa does have a beard. 3. I would date Melissa. Handleton, you better not date Melissa, man. You better not. All right, let's see what's going on in the poll. Would you rather XRP or Litecoin? 63% said XRP. Actually, 63% said XRP. Wow, that's crazy, man. 63%. I guess that kind of makes sense. I was actually expecting more people to say Litecoin, but 63% XRP. Though Litecoin's actually, hey, I will say, Litecoin has outperformed XRP in this. Well, I should say since March of 2020. Okay, Litecoin has outperformed XRP. So yeah, at least I think it has. I could be wrong. I think it has. I'm pretty certain it has, actually. All right, here comes Bitcoin. Here comes Bitcoin, boys. Here comes Bitcoin. Grab your shorts. Grab your shorts. Okay? Grab them. Grab them. 63% are wrong. Let's see. $3. All right. Let's go back over here. I was going to touch on some other stuff here today, but I don't think it's worth it, to be honest. Why does it do this all? Guys, you guys having this issue with CMC? What's going on with CMC? Hey, when you used to press 24%, okay? You used to sort it by 24% or 30%, it would only sort the top 100. Now, I only have it show it 100 rows, okay? Now when I click on it, it sorts the entire coin list. Why does it do that? Can someone tell me? Can someone tell me why it's doing that? It's pissing me off. It's really pissing me off. Grab your shorts. Grab your shorts. Man. Yeah, nothing's really moving. BNB. Doge keeps going. Oh, Near protocol. Near. Someone, I think, is it Denise asking for Near earlier? Near is one that just keeps going, man. That was all-time highs for Near. Holy majoli, we have reached the 1.618 Fibonacci, and that's where exactly we got a wick from. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. We talked about that yesterday. We actually said it had bearish divergence. Did Near give a diddly squat? It still has bearish divergence, by the way, but this is why you have to wait for confirmation first. It still has bearish div, but is Near giving a diddly squat about this bearish divergence?
Nope.
Yeah. You look like Minnie Mouse transitioning into Speedy Gonzalez. All right, take it off. There we go. No, but Near, all-time highs. Pump song for Near. Let's go. Wanna party. What the heck, man? 20 point, we're probably going back up to test 20.43, which is the 1.618 fib. Near going absolutely nuts. Absolutely nut burgers. It keeps going. Here it comes, 20.22. It's showing no chill. Now, I'm going to assume that the 4 hours, actually, I mean, you're actually sitting not too bad. You could go higher here. Hourly's not sitting too bad too. You could go higher here if you wanted to. Now, do you go all the way up here to the 2.618? I doubt it. I doubt it, but, you know, that's at $25. Psychological number, $25. So, you know, it could be interesting for Near. Could be very interesting for Near. Near's been on an absolute tear, though. We're talking about a month ago. About a month ago. About a month ago. Then they said him on the freaky, and they said him on the biggie. I drop a remix, but, you know, about a month ago, you're sitting at, 13, actually, well, sorry. You're sitting at like $6. So you're talking about, over a 3x in the last month, which is pretty good, especially when Bitcoin's been crap in the bed, right? That's pretty good. Not too bad. I mean, that's more than pretty good. That's really, really good. Really, really good. It's insane, actually. Why would you not want to party during a pump song? Because some people are miserable, man. Some people, I play the pump song and they sit there like this. They literally sit there like this, you know? There's just people out there, man. Miserable people, right? Absolutely miserable people. They'll be sitting there like this during the pump song. Oh, man. Oh, fuck. This guy's got me dying in the chat, man. That's probably half of you guys, too. You guys are just sitting there like... Dude, I died. Alright. Wait, it did that glitch, by the way. It did that glitch where my head's big. Ready? You guys want to see a glitch? You guys want to see a good glitch? Ready? Watch the head, right? Watch this guy's head, and then watch my head right after I switch it. Ready? Watch it. Ready? Watch it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You guys see that, right? It makes my face look really fat. Holy moly. It's optical illusion, man. Someone said he's gone insane. A little bit insane, man. All right, so near is looking good, continuing up there. Harmony is continuing up, 35.8. Doge was over 18 cents for a second there. Went to like 18.22. Not too shabby myself. It's not a glitch. It's called optical. Megamind. It is Megamind. No, but yeah, Doge's not looking too shabby. It's not too many things that are looking like ultra shabby, but I'll take anything. Phantom. We haven't looked at Phantom. How's Phantom? I gotta add Phantom to my little list here. Phantom's gotta go to my list. Though I have here's the thing I will say about Handsome. I was gonna say Handsome. Here's the thing I will say about Phantom, guys. You're starting to see all the influencers hyping up Phantom. Okay, you're starting to see it, bro. And I'm not gonna name names, but usually when you start seeing certain names hyping up certain coins, that tends to be a local top. Just saying. I'm seeing everyone hyping up Phantom now. Okay, So I'm just putting that out there. Not going to say that philosophy is always correct, but I say 9 out of 10 times it's been pretty good. It's been pretty good. So just putting that out there. Phantom. Phantom, man. All right, let's go. What's going down here? So Phantom is, yeah, I mean, Phantom's at its peak, man. It's literally at its peak consistently. So you got previous high, previous high, previous high, previous high. Hold on. Hold on, guys. All right. There we go. We're good. We're good. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. I gotta drink my tea. Got no tea. No, but Phantom is coming up to that peak that it's peaked out at 4 times actually on closes. So 4 times on the closes. Will it continue up? I mean, that's the question. Now, you're gonna have bearish div at this big resistance line, right? You're gonna have higher highs and lower highs, right? But here's the thing. Here's what I'll say about Phantom here. Okay, if Bitcoin can continue up, I think Phantom continues up. If Bitcoin goes sideways or down here, I think that Phantom is going to come down. Okay, because you're getting that sort of bearish div at the biggest resistance that Phantom has. You also have, how should I say, the Jinxer hyping up Phantom. Okay, you have the Jinxer hyping up Phantom, and yeah, a multitude of other things. So keep that in mind. I will say that, but you guys know I'm a big Phantom guy. I've been telling you guys, not telling you guys, but I've been accumulating Phantom really for a while here. So I hope it goes up, but I wouldn't be surprised if short term it does get a little bit of a pullback here. Would not be surprised whatsoever. I hope I'm wrong. I hope it just continues up. If it does, we can look at the next logical place it would go to. Obviously, you have that little bit of a wick there, but I'm going to count that giant liquidation event. 1.618 would put you up at 485 if the all-time high breaks. That's quite a move. You also have the previous local high, the previous all-time high wicks at like 345. So 485 is pretty high. I doubt it gets there anytime soon. I hope I'm wrong, but we'll see. We'll see. Who's the Jinxer? What's up, Pawtucket? Hope you're doing good, man. Pawtucket's finest. Pawtucket's finest, man. There's a lot of, I wouldn't say there's a lot of fine people in Pawtucket, but I know some people around that way. I wouldn't say there's a lot of fine people around Pawtucket, but you know, Pawtucket's finest can probably confirm that one for me too. Check out Dogecoin. It's up another 5% on the new day. It's because Tesla is accepting Doge for payments. Much wow. Your Shiba wants to sit on your shoulder. I'll let it sit on there for a second. Not too long, though. Where's my Shiba? Here we go. My little sheep. My little sheep. There he is. No, but Shiba's doing well. Tesla's accepting Doge for payment. I don't know if that's true. Someone could probably confirm that for me. I have no idea if it's true. If that's true and Doge is only up 4%, that's actually slightly bad, in my opinion. Because that's like the one thing that I think like really could pump up Doge. And the fact that you're only up 4% after an announcement, I don't know if that's true though. So I'm not going to say that's true or not. Member milestone message. LFG. Love you, Jordan. 8. Oh, that's not an 8. That is not an 8. Let me tell you. That is not an 8 what you just did. Okay, you just did some freaky stuff. You drew an 8, and then you drew a couple dashes. Let me tell you, that ain't no 8, man. That ain't no 8. Oh, man. Come on, Eric. Come on, Eric. That's crazy, dude. The fat face. Oh, God. Let's say that. Nope. I love the people in the chat just say, nope. 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 They announced a while ago they're going to accept it for merch. Yeah. I don't know how big that is. I mean, how many people are going to buy Tesla merch, you know? Some of this news that people get hyped over. Hold on, real quick, guys, real quick.
Rant alert.
Some of this news that, holy moly, Harmony's going nuts. Look at Harmony, baby. Look at Harmony. Real quick, I want to rant real quick. I want to rant real quick, guys.
Rant alert.
Some of this news that people are like, holy crap, this news is so bullish. Bro, let's be honest. Like, sometimes people get hyped over like, things that are not even hype worthy. Like, Tesla accepting Doge for merch payments is not that bullish. Who's buying Tesla shirts? Who's buying Tesla hats? Who's buying Tesla, anything besides a car? That's not that bullish. And I would be saying the same thing if it was ETH or Bitcoin. It's not that. People are like, holy moly, Tesla merch. Tesla merch.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
It's not that big of a deal. Let's get hyped over big announcements and not announcements that are like, that's like saying, to me, that's like saying the dollar store is accepting Bitcoin as payments for water bottles. You know what I mean? It's like, all right, cool. Bitcoin's being accepted by Dollar Tree for water bottles. Awesome. Awesome. I'm glad it happened, but is it a big deal? Not really. Okay, not really. Who's going to be doing it? Not many people. They try to hype it up and then dump on it. Anyways, Harmony is going absolutely nuts right now. Let's get it. Clancy said hater. Clancy, I know you're kidding with me, man. I know you're kidding with me. People get so mad when I say that stuff, dude. Guys, I'm just being a realist. I'm being a realist. You guys know I love crypto, but I'm not gonna get so excited over stuff that's not even a big deal. You know what I mean? Listen, that's a good thing. I'll take it. It's better than nothing. All right. 36.7. Harmony's going nuts. Someone said that the Harmony BTC chart is at all-time highs. Let's see, man. 1 BTC. Holy majoli. Rest in peace, Harmony BTC. Rest in peace, man. Holy majoli. Look at Harmony 1 Bitcoin. Oh, man. Harmony 1 Bitcoin. Uh-oh, here comes Bob. Is that a meme coin, Jordan? I want to FOMO into this. Is that a meme coin? Look at all the zeros. Onabeke. 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 Is that a meme coin, Jordan? Holy crap, it has like 6 zeros. It has 6 zeros. I want to FOMO into Onabeke. Onabeke. Holy moly. Where do I buy this? Where do I buy this thing? Bob, it's not a meme coin, bro. It's not a meme coin, bro. It's Harmony 1 BTC. Okay, it's not a meme coin. But yeah, 1 BTC is sayonara, man. Sayonara. Say and absolute nara. Let's go back to the normal chart though. Let's see if we can break all-time highs tonight. Yeah, hopefully we can get something to break all-time highs tonight. 37.6. People asking to do accept Doge. I don't accept Doge here. I do not accept Doge. Doge said, check out Harmony 1. It's making big moves. Yeah, Harmony. Let's see if we can break all-time highs for Harmony tonight. Let's see if we can do it. What's your thoughts on Optic Alert? Oh, God. You don't want to know my thoughts on Optic Alert, man.
Rant alert.
Optic alert, okay? And I'm not going to make fun of anyone as a person, okay? I always put a disclaimer on this. I'm not talking about anyone as a person. I'm just strictly basing it off of analysis that I see and base it off of, you know, how sure they are of their analysis, okay? If they don't take this themselves seriously, I won't take them seriously. But a lot of these guys that, you know, they try to act like experts, okay? They try to act like experts and they take this stuff way too seriously, so I go off on him, okay? Nothing wrong with the person. Optic alert sounds like a good guy, okay? I don't know anything about him, but this guy is calling for a damn stock market crash and a damn Bitcoin crash every single day since 2019, okay? He's been calling for a crash since 2019, okay? And he claims that he's right because he called the March 2020 crash. Bro, the March 2020 crash was not because of your fib circles. It was because of I can't say the word. It was because of a black swan event, okay, that anyone 3 months prior had no idea was coming. So let's not act like your fib circles called March 2020 crash. Ever since then, the whole way up, Bitcoin's gonna crash, Bitcoin's gonna crash, Bitcoin's gonna crash, over and over and over again, all right? Bitcoin has a dump, and then he says he's Messiah. Okay, now this is coming from me, who does not take himself seriously whatsoever, guys. I've always said that. I'm a clown, okay? I am a clown on this channel. I'm clearly a clown. Your fib circles ain't causing crap, bro. It's a circle. It's a damn circle. Okay, I can draw circles. Should we draw circles? Let's draw circles. Let's draw some circles here. Where's my fib circle? I don't even know where it is because no one uses damn fib circles. But let's do some fib circles. Let's take one right here. Yeah, guys, we're coming up on this red ring. We're coming up on this red ring, guys, right here. You guys can see last time we went up to this red ring, we had a massive drop to the downside. So we're coming up on that red ring, and I do think we're going to get a move back down, right? We're gonna come up to this ring. We're going to come back down and probably come back all the way back down and test the bottom of the red ring, all the way down to 20 cents for Harmony. This red ring is going to cause an absolute crash, guys. I'm telling you right now. It's going to cause an absolute crash. All the moon boys in the comment section are not going to believe me, but holy moly, man. This red ring is going to absolutely destroy the market, stock market, Bitcoin, everything. Damn fib circles, bro. Anyways, that's my thought process. No idea about the guy, not saying anything about the guy. He's probably a great guy, probably getting some BS with Optic Alert, you know, but sticking strictly to crypto,
Bruh.
that's all I'll say. I would say savvy. Be careful what you draw in case your circle plays out. Oh, man. What's going on, Philip? Philip said FTM. What's Phantom doing, man? Is Phantom breaking all-time highs? Let's check it out. Let's check it out, man. FTM. Phantom. All right, let's see. FTM. Yeah, Phantom's getting up there. I don't know where my lines are gone. My imaginary lines, but yeah, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4 touches on this resistance line. I mean, we got to break 316. You break 316, you said your next fib target's like, what was it, 485? We said earlier. So Phantom is looking juicy too. Very, very juicy. It's looking quite sexy, if you ask me. But yeah, that's what I'll say about that. We like savvy here. You guys like savvy all of a sudden? You guys like savvy? Wow, that's crazy. One had negative funding earlier. That's crazy. Crypto crazy, baby. That's me. Inverse head and shoulders for show. Yeah. Boop, boop, boop. Breakout. The question is, are you going to get rejected here, come back down, test, or are you just going to smack up to all-time highs? That's going to be the question. What's Bitcoin doing? Oh, come on, Bitcoin. You're killing me, bro. You're killing me, Smalls. It's another crab market. Crab market. Crab market. I like crabs. I like crabs. My name is Bitcoin. It's a crab market in the land of the cryptoverse. Let's do some dubious extrapolation. Dubious. We're very dubious. This song sucks. That was the worst song I've ever sang. And I sing some bad songs. That was probably the worst song I've ever sung. Holy moly, that was the worst song that I have ever sung. That didn't even make sense. Like usually I'll be okay with making some. My vocals might not be pretty good, but at least my my words will make some sense. That makes no sense. No sense. Man. Change to 1 hour. Hidden bullish div. I don't see any hidden bullish div. I see no hidden bullish div. None. I want... I like crabs. Best song ever. Oh, man. You guys are too funny, bro. Slightly. Oh, man. I feel like all my channel has been for the last, like, but we do Bitcoin analysis for usually for like the first 30 minutes every day. But I feel like all my channel's been for the last like 2 months is watching Bitcoin do nothing and just talking about absolutely nothing as altcoins do nothing too. I feel like that's all we've been doing. Am I wrong? Starbucks said nearly as good as the Island Boys. Facts. Absolute facts. Alex Becker. Better than Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift. Michael said, no more singing, or this is the last time I'm watching your stream. Michael, that's not true because you said that last time, man. Michael, I remember that. You said that last time, and you still came back, bro. So, I'm calling you bluff. I'm calling you bluff, bro. I love that. Oh, man. Where's the fiat? There ain't no fiat, man. There ain't no fiat left. There's no fiat. Everyone already bought the dip, as we know. Everyone bought the dip. We got 529 likes, 1,000 people in here. If you could smack up that like button, guys. Smack up that like little button. Smack it. Smack it. One of the best comedy streams of all time. Anything else moving right now, guys? You guys gotta let me know, because CMC is acting up lately. I guess BitBoy was making fun of that earlier too. What the heck, CMC? TJ, ban CMC. Ban CMC in the chat. Ban it. Ban it. I can't take this anymore. Ban it. But, BitBoy, we use CMC for the first, like, 15 minutes of our stream. What are we supposed to do? We have no more content. There's no news. What are we supposed to use? What are we supposed to use? We can't ban CMC. TJ, I told you to ban CMC right now. If you don't do it, I'm getting a new host for the show. We're going to bring on DZ. You want to bring on DZ? Huh, TJ? Huh? Okay. We'll use CoinGecko. Oh, man. There really is nothing going on. CMC is all messed up, though. It really is. Near protocol. We already checked Near. Is Near continuing up? Hold on. Let's go check Near again. Let's go check Near. 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 You actually wicked up to 2043. Literally went up to 2043. Bada bing, bada boom. BNB's going up. Yeah, you're up like 1%. I wouldn't say it's going up. I can see all of them on the right here. Nothing's really moving. Like 1% is you're not moving. You're not moving if it's 1%. You know what I mean? You ain't moving at all. You guys want to? We'll watch this again. I love this thing. Everyone, get ready to dance. Ready? Get ready to dance. Get ready.
Happy and clapping Vitalik is impressed. Vitalik clapping, 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 clapping. Vitalik clapping, 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 clapping.
That's the best, man. All right, Fear and Greed. DJ said Fear and Greed. Let's refresh. Let's see what we got for Fear and Greed ads. We got Shutterstock today. Okay, interesting. Get some pictures. We got True Classic. What is this? This is a new True Classic Tees ad. 20% off a 6-pack. Okay, could be a little better. We're at 21 again. Okay, still extreme fear. People are extremely fearful. Extremely fearful right now. Which is nuts. It's absolutely nuts. People, we're getting a massive cluster, as we would say, a massive cluster of extreme fear down here. People are still fearful, man. Extremely fearful. Is he serious? That was a trip. What just happened? All right, one more time.
Happy and clapping. Vitalik is impressed. Vitalik clapping, 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 clapping. Vitalik clapping, 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 clapping.
I love the little heart at the end. That gets me every time. All right, enough of that. Enough of that. That gets me hyped every time. You know, we'll do it every time ETH pumps, we'll play that. That's the ETH pump song. Why, bro? I feel violated. Oh man. Every time ETH pumps, we'll play that. That's the ETH pump song. Oh man. I could dance to that all day. It gets me hyped up. Mr. Burns. Mr. Burns. Looks like Mr. Burns of The Simpsons. That's what happens when you ask to change the pump song. Shoot. All right, guys. It's 8 o'clock. I told you I was going to get it off a little bit earlier today. There ain't nothing going on. There ain't nothing going on, boys. You know, and my girl, and my chicas in here. Can't forget all my chicas. My boys and chicas. There ain't nothing going on. I gotta get some stuff done. Like I said, I'll be gone for the weekend. I will be streaming though. I will be streaming, just from a different location. Okay, but I will be streaming. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you guys hit up that like button before you go. Go follow me on the Twitter. Hopefully we can get some more price action tomorrow for Bitcoin, because this is brutal, man. It's been brutal every single day, but we get through it. We have fun, as much as fun as we can, while we're watching paint dry, okay? Said change your shirt. Nope. I ain't changing my shirt, bro. But I'll catch you guys on the flip side, all right? See you guys tomorrow. Peace out. That's awkward. I gotta go all the way up to this. There we go. Here we go. And click that. All right, now I'm out. Peace.